Sammy, watch out. They're kicking.
I'm a leader, not a follower.
He's weird. When you fight
You
him,
need to be a leader,
you go
too.
like this.
You don't listen to whatever.
When I fight
You
you,
need to make your own decisions. Always be a leader, never a follower, right, Nikki?
I don't like the novel. Hit him, like this, like this.
You don't like it because you don't like it, or because somebody told you?
Oh, I see. They're
Ow, my God.
caught on tape. Oh, caught on tape, guys. Now I see who the instigator was.
Watch it around the baby.
Please, you kidding? He'll clobber them with a mallet. He's gonna clobber them, and he's like, "RJ, save your cousin, RJ. Save your cousin, RJ. Save him. Save your cousin. Look, get him. Yeah. Save your cousin. Save him. Get off my cousin. Get off my cousin. Oh. Oh, did you really get kicked?
Yeah.
Oh, Micah. You learned some dirty. Oh, watch your head. Ah! Careful, guys.